Hello, YouTubers. Thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I am reporting my day 120 of my YouTube journey with the YouTube AdSense monetization. It's been roughly 4 months, and this right here, I got a community strike on August 27, 2019. So this is within the last 30 days, and this strike prevented me from uploading any new content for 7 days. The violation was for uploading a video that shows people how to download a YouTube video. So it happened around this time right here, this downhill. So for 7 days I couldn't post anything and upload anything, so it was 7 days of no content. The views went down slightly, and then I started posting again and it started coming back up. So that was a very demotivating time right here, because I was originally going to upload about 2 videos a day, and then this happened and it kind of demotivated me, and now I'm back to just 1 video a day. And anyhow, the journey continues. I just have to be more careful with uploading anything that can potentially be deemed as what they call harmful and dangerous content. So I gotta avoid that, whatever that means. Okay, back to the journey again. So this is the last 28 days, and it's going up. So let's check out the last 120 days. So I got monetization around the time of May 23rd. So the watch time has been going up slightly. The views, it was doing about 500 a day, and then climbing up to 1,000 a day now, average. And the income revenue for the videos, so it started down here about $4 to $5 a day initially, and now it's about between 15, 20, mostly around the 15. So it's definitely going up, and this is with 1 new video a day posted, so it works. And you don't have to post every single day, but if you just keep posting, your chances of success is going to increase. And here are some of my top videos. So let's sort it by the revenue. So $80, $82 for this flip scam video, 3,300 views. And let's take a look at this one right here, almost 1,000 views and making $50. $50 per 1,000 views, that's like $50 CPMs. That's a very high ad rate. So you don't need a lot of views to generate a decent amount of revenue. So that's proof right there. You don't need millions of views, you just need to be in the right niche and make the right kind of videos. So mostly things like business, finance, health, it's going to be in the high ad range. So now let's look at the Google AdSense. So for the last 7 days, and just ignore this alert up here. So last 7 days made about $103. And here are some of the daily earnings. So as you can see, the average is about $14.71, so $15 average daily now, and some days it's almost 20. The total stats from May 23rd, which is the time I started getting monetization from YouTube. So my total earnings here is different from the earnings here. So just remember that the stats from the YouTube dashboard is going to be different from the AdSense reported earnings. So it's generally going to be higher, more accurate with the Google AdSense report. So as you can see, the earnings has been increasing, so that's a good sign. So it's been 4 months, and right now I'm at $15 and even $20 on some days. So I will keep at it, keep posting new videos, and I'm also starting a new blog, niche blogging journey, so I'll be posting that soon as well. So I'll be doing multiple journeys, including the YouTube and my niche blogging journey. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and make money opportunities, and follow my journey. Thanks for viewing, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks again, and happy marketing.